Controversial type of DNA testing has tied a convicted sex offender to an attack on a Warren County woman this summer. I-Team reporter Hillary Lake explains how touch DNA works and why this took so long to make an arrest.
Kyle Motz is locked up here at the Warren County Jail. Police had a suspect description in that sexual assault case, and they arrested Motz based on that description after a traffic stop in October. But the prosecutor tells me the DNA evidence is the smoking gun. It's quiet, secluded, the type of place where one goes to find peace and get a little exercise. But this stretch of the Little Miami Trail near Morrow is where investigators say Kyle Motz took that serenity from a woman.
He basically jumped out of the woods and grabbed her, fondled her.
The woman, who's 64, told police the attack happened on July 30th. She said she passed a man walking a small dog and was eventually able to fight him off.
She provided a description of both the man and the dog to law enforcement. Because he had grabbed her, law enforcement took possession of the clothing items that she was wearing at that time.
Police sent her clothes to the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Identification and Investigation in Columbus. There, investigators tested the clothes for touch DNA or small samples of skin cells. It's usually used by the defense to exclude suspects. But in this case, Warren County Prosecutor David Fornshell is using it to identify Kyle Motz as a suspect.
It's just an additional piece of evidence. Fortunately for us, this isn't a situation where the DNA evidence is the only evidence that we have. Touch DNA analysis on her clothing came back to Mr. Motz, who actually lived right on the bike trail.
Police records show Motz is also a convicted Tier 1 sex offender. He was found guilty of sexual imposition in Lebanon in 2014, and he's repeatedly violated his probation. Kyle Motz is expected in court on Wednesday afternoon for an arraignment. We're in Warren County. Hillary Lake, 9 on your side.